City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tualatin County in northern Utah until 9:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dugway Proving Ground Test Range, or 28 miles west of Dugway English Village, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated and VSONet observed. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dugway Proving Ground Test Range and Utah Test and Training Range South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Tualatin, Utah,